What's up mga idol? Welcome to the Singing Show TV.
What's up mga idol? Welcome back sa aking channel. Panoorin natin mga idol ang highlights ng The Voice Kids Blind Audition. Bago tayo magsimula, wag nating kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating channel, The Singing Show TV. Wika ni Coach Billy. It's fun to hear soulful blues songs tulad ng Aretha Franklin, pero it's very tricky kasi there's a lot to do with timing now. Ang gagawin na lang natin is kung ako ang pipiliin mo, di naman sa nagmamayabang, I have works na nagpro-produce, nagsusulat at nagko-coach kila Justin Bieber, Michael Jackson, so I think I will bring the soul in you.
Stranger to the dark, they say sweet.
Sounds so young.
Dust. I know that they're the place for us.
Let's go.
I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. Look out, 'cause here I go.
Wika ni Coach Pablo, I just follow my guts. I just want to say that I'm proud for both of you, you're always had each other. For Christian, please don't stop singing. Even though there is no one watching you, believe in yourself. Christina, I just want to say that I love your heart, I love your confidence, I will do the very best I can to teach you what I know and I will help you win this competition.
No more of this hopping around. I'm tired of you. I still believe there's a winner in you. There's a lover somewhere. There's a winner, there's a hero.
Wika ni Coach Stel, napaka-unique ng song choice for your age. Yung natural skill mo, yung inborn talent mo, nandyan na yan, with the help of your mom na gina-guide ka ever since before. At nakakatuwa lang makarinig ng klase ng boses mo, mas nakaka-excite maka-work ang isang katulad mo at kung maging artist ka man sa paglaki mo, sana ipagpatuloy mo at huwag sana magbago kung ano ang nasa puso mo.
Ikaw ang lahat sa akin. Ang magandang alaala.
Doon na ako.
Isang kahapon. Hindi ngayon ang panahon. Gusto ng hanggan, tuloy maging
ka ni Coach Julie. You are a very intelligent singer. You know how to place your notes. Alam mo na maalanganin ka pero ginawa mo pa rin ng paraan, and also I love your dynamics and your breathing para akong nakikinig sa isang adult. It's been like you're doing this for a very very long time. Ang galing mo. I think you're the greatest contender here that I heard so far.
Spreading the news. I'm
Daddy Blue.
today. Right through the city that doesn't sleep.
I'm enjoying this.
And find out May number one. If I can make it there, I'll make it and you lose. Oh, melting away. New York.
Ang magwawagi ng grand prize ng kompetisyon na ito ay makakatanggap ng isang recording contract na may pinakamataas na record label, pati na rin ng isang cash prize at iba pang mga exciting opportunities. Ngunit ang pinakamahalaga, ang The Voice ay tungkol sa pagtuklas at pag-aalaga ng talento, at pagbibigay ng plataporma para sa susunod na henerasyon ng mga Pilipinong mga awit upang ipakita ang kanilang mga kakayahan at marinig. Kaya't siguraduhin tumutok sa The Voice. Dahan kami sa pagsuporta sa mga kamanghamanghang mga awit na ito habang inaabot nila ang kanilang mga pangarap at magbibigay inspirasyon sa ating lahat. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel para sa higit pang mga update at review sa iyong mga paboritong singing show sa TV. Salamat sa panonood at makita ka sa susunod na video.
Salamat sa inyong panonood. Isang like naman dyan. At mag-comment na rin. At huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe, mga idol.